What a pretty painting. Nice mural. Knowing is not enough. We must apply. Willing is not enough. We must do. Summer 2012, Min Ti Luong. I guess she painted this 4 years ago. Very nice painting. That's one of my favorite things about stopping in New York. You can always find some really amazing murals and street art. And this one happens to be at PS 230, over around Church Avenue, around the G stop. Look at that. 10 A, B, C, D, E, F, G, numbers and letters just like subways. Hello everybody, and welcome to another Go Go Suprtoe, and we are already going. Let's go ride the G train for a bit. Go Go Suprtoe speed. Church Avenue, F and G. Hey, there's an elevator across the street, but we're just gonna go down the stairs because we have two good Suprtoes, and we're gonna use them. And we're gonna swipe the Metro card. That's right, $2.75 for a Metro ride. Wow, my price has really gone up since I've been living in. Ah! The G train! The G train's already here! Hurry! It's so short! It's so short that it stops in the middle of the track. Ah, made it. Okay. On the G. Ready to go. Come to think of it, I heard that horn. And that horn was supposed to be a signal that the G train was about ready to go, right? And that bell is a signal. So there are a lot of signals. So, yeah. Suprtoe's ready to go. How about you, G train? I mean, go starts with G, so you should always be ready to G-O go. But you're not. You're not. You're just sitting here. You're just sitting here and we're waiting for you to go. There we go. Fort Hamilton Parkway is next. He made the announcement and he's ready to drive. He's ready to drive. He's ready to close the doors and go on to Fort Hamilton Parkway next on the 4-car G train. There it is! Yay! Bye bye Church Avenue. This is where the G train starts. Before it goes all the way to Queens. A nice, fairly empty G train, so let's have a look at it. Yeah, it's a train. Right. Train with orange seats. Different seats that are different shades of orange. And it's got advertisements, a speaker for announcements, and yeah, it's a train. So I was informed when I was riding an R160, so maybe you guys can tell me what train model this is. Also, I've always wondered, why are these different color orange? Why are the seats different colors of orange? Is that like a manufacturing defect, or is it on purpose? Different shades, it's very strange. Seems like it should all be uniform. Oh well, maybe you know. Fort Hamilton Parkway. Hey there, stylish boots. Stylish black boots, very nice. How you doing over there, stylish boots?
Pretty good, just riding the G train.
Yeah, me too. Lots of fun. Fort Hamilton Parkway. See ya. I mean, Gia. Let's do a G train dance real quick. G train, G train. Suprtoe is riding the G train today. Short ride, we're not going to tappity tap tap. Gonna tap tap, not that much, not that much. Let's have a nice little ride without tappity tap. G train, G train, G train. Gonna ride on to the G train. Where we getting off, nobody knows but me. That's enough. Maybe I should try to... I'm not very good at freestyling. Maybe I should try to write a song. Here we are. 15th Street, Prospect Park. Let's go move to a different window. Bye-bye, Prospect Park. Hey, look, it's an F train. Hey, F train. Bye, F train. We can tappity tap past this. And here we are. 7th Avenue.
So now this is a G-train on that next page.
See ya, 7th. Having a nice leisurely ride on the G train. This is nice. We don't have to tappity tap past everything. Let's just have a good ride. And be a monkey. You know, maybe we should be a monkey on the M train since monkey starts with M. Maybe sometime. But right now, we can be a gorilla. Although gorillas don't really hang upside down. Well, anyway, we're upside down. We're playing monkey. We're playing Suprtoe monkey. Just sort of hanging around. What's out there? Darkness. Swing, 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 monkey. Ooh, wah, wah, ooh, ooh, wah. Okay. That hurts my voice because I'm not really a monkey. I just play one on trains. Okay, that's enough of that. Where are we? Ooh, neat. Look at all that track. Oh, okay, I see now. It's because we're coming outside. Oh, wow. Now you can really see how dirty that window is. And we get to see our awesome bridge support structure. Because we are riding up high now. Up we go. Hey, another G train. Nope, wait, nope, that's an F train. I believe that is an R68, is that correct? I learned a lot from you guys and gals. Suprtoe fans know their trains. Alright, we are up high. It's a nice day for a G-train ride. There's the support structure. Always cool to pass that. Lots of great 45-degree and 90-degree angles. That's what makes the world go round. Without 90-degree angles, you couldn't stand up. That is a G-train. Bye-bye, G-train. Hey, look! You can see the cars through the window there. Through the little station window. See the cars in the expressway. Okay, on we go! Oh, bridge supports. Let's look up. Wow, so cool. Okay, that's enough of that. Oh, we're falling! We're falling down the track. The track went vertical. We're not on a railroad, we're on a roller coaster. This is a subway roller coaster. Help! So scary! So scary! It's all about perspective. And back underground we go to Carroll Street next. There are the lights to help the train driver's eyes adjust from bright to dark. And there is Carroll Street Station with the nice archways and the strategically placed lights and a nice column stopping right in the middle. Okay, there we go, Carroll Street. Bye-bye, Carroll Street. Moving along. Hey, let's play hide and seek. Do you think they see us? I don't think they see us. I think we're really good at hiding. Nope, nobody sees us. We're awesome at this. Maybe they're not looking. Oh well, that's okay. I'll still hide. Bergen Street! Oh, what's this? NYC Transit Division of Track. Caution, this area has been baited with rodenticide. On March 26, 2002, this sign's been here 14 years. 14 years. Wow, okay. 14 years that sign has been there. That's a lot. Almost 15. Okay, we can tappity-tap past this. Not using the tappity-tap a whole lot this time because I want to enjoy this ride. Hey look, it's an A train! That must mean we're at Hoyt-Schermerhorn. Hoyt-Schermerhorn. It's not Schermerhorn. It's not Skirmerhorn. Well, it might be. Heck if I know. But we call it Hoyt-Schermerhorn. Bye-bye, A-Train. This is where the A meets the G in Brooklyn. We're hiding again. We are so good at hiding. We're like under the seat. We're so good at hiding. Nobody sees us under here. And the floor is dirty, but not a lot of trash at least. I guess the train workers did a pretty good job cleaning it off before it started at Church Avenue. Let's do a little hide and seek dance. Nobody can find us. We're super at this. Suprtoe hide. Suprtoe hide and seek. Suprtoe hide and seek. I don't know who's trying to seek me. I don't know if anyone is, but I'm gonna sit here, do a little hide and seek dance, and whisper, whisper. Boom chick, boom chick, boom chick, boom chick. Boom chick, boom chick, boom chick, boom chick. Alright, that's enough hiding. Fulton Street. Getting off here. Fulton Street. No more whispering. How about that? Fulton Street and Lafayette Avenue, right in the heart of downtown Brooklyn. Actually, a little east of downtown Brooklyn, isn't it? Not quite in downtown. Maybe it is. Anyway, let's go see what's up above the ground. Tappity tap. Let's mix things up a bit. Go through the emergency exit. And no alarm sounded. Up the stairs, tappity tap. Alright, Lafayette and Fulton. Lafayette Avenue and Fulton Street. Well, this journey seems a little bit incomplete. I mean, we got our tall buildings, our shops and stuff. Nothing really interesting to look at the end of our journey. Feels a bit empty. Let's walk over to that park. Let's go to that park and see what's in there. Tappity tap. Nice and green. And there's a really tall fence around this park. Is this a park? Are we allowed in here? I mean, it certainly looks like we are. There's a little gazebo, little place to sit. But it certainly has a fence that makes it look like we are not allowed to go in there. That fence is meant to keep people out. That's weird. What kind of park is that? Well, that stinks. No kind of park we want to go to. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this journey to the non-park. Go Suprtoe, subscribe. Parks are made to play in.